Hey, welcome to Food for Thought. Let's see what's on the menu for today. How about a taco that's so good it'll make you talk about the great meal? Sorry. From ancient Aztec markets to your favorite food truck, the taco has journeyed through history, bringing flavor and flair to every table. Let's travel back to pre-Hispanic times, where the taco began its delicious story. The Aztecs in the Valley of Mexico were the first to wrap their meals in tortillas made from maize, the heart of their culture. The word taco comes from the Nahuatl word talco, meaning half or middle, reflecting how these ancient wraps held various tasty fillings. Fast forward to the Spanish conquest in the 16th century, the Spanish brought new ingredients like pork, which the locals quickly incorporated into their diet, giving birth to the classic carnitas and chorizo. As the tacos spread across Mexico, each region added its own twists, from the fish tacos of Baja California to the barbacoa in the Yucatan. Now, let's talk tortillas. Not all tortilla is created equal. You've got the classic corn tortilla, a staple in traditional Mexican cuisine, and the flour tortilla, often used in northern Mexico and the US. They can be yellow, blue, or even red, depending on the type of maize used. These colors aren't just for show. They represent different regional traditions and flavors. Tacos are all about variety, and the fillings are no exceptions. From tender meats like slow-cooked beef barbacoa to juicy al pastor pork and grilled carne asada, to plant-based options like spicy black bean and roasted vegetables. There's a taco for every taste. Add some vibrant toppings like zesty salsa verde, creamy guacamole, and fresh cilantro, and you've got a handheld feast. But the taco story doesn't stop there. As Mexican culture spreads across borders, so did the taco, evolving to some truly creative variations. Have you ever tried a sushi taco? The crispy seaweed shell filled with sushi-grade fish, sticky rice, and all the trimmings. Or how about the Korean barbecue taco, where beef bulgogi meets spicy kimchi? And for dessert, a s'mores taco, complete with a graham cracker shell and a gooey marshmallow filling. Today's tacos are a global phenomenon celebrated everywhere from the streets of Mexico to Tokyo. They even made their way into pop culture, becoming icons in movies, music, and the ultimate social media sensation. #Taco Tuesday. So, with all these variations, which one would you like? I love a nice carne asada taco with green and red salsa. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, drop a like and maybe hit the subscribe button. You know, food for thought.